Hello friends, so today what we'll be doing is a few days ago I was in the junkyard and I found this seems to be 30-ton hydraulic jack which is seems to be usable. It is seized and it needs some restoration, but I think once it is restored it still can be used. So I got it for about 10 euros or 13 bucks or something like that. So let's do it and see if we can restore it. So first of all, I will be cleaning it up and then we will see what we can do with it. Yeah, enjoy the video. If you like it, subscribe and follow us. The hydraulic jack works now, but there seems to be issue here and there is a lot of rust here, so definitely now that we know that it works we will need to restore some things. There is a seal here. This seems that it is leaking and probably we need to check this as well, but works. Let me get it all the way up, clean the piston. Ito tang glitchki. There are a lot of scorch marks from the rust, so I'll need to get rid of them and try how the piston moves before I change the seals. Okay, here I can see quite deep scratch marks, so that's probably what has damaged the seal as well. So here there is a scratch from up to the bottom here, and there are several places. There is one as well from here to here. So the seal definitely has to be changed. It may not be usable for 30 tons, but probably 10 will be still enough. Okay, so what I want to do now is I will put just temporary put oil there to see if the piston can come all the way up, if the problem was due to lack of oil or if the seals are too damaged to push it up. So I will use some oil that I have lying here. It is old, but for this purpose it should be enough. It will be changed later on, so I'm not worried about it. Just fill in the oil. there was a issue with oil. There was not enough oil as well, and this is a two-stage. So you can see now the second stage is running up. There is not enough oil. Again, I can hear it from here, so still I have to put more oil there. So first of all I will press this down. And put it all the way down, and then put enough oil there so it flows out. This is only for the test. Then later on we will put a normal hydraulic oil there, because I want to change this oil. Okay. Okay, there is enough. It's flowing out now. So we just pump it with the valve open, so there are no bubbles. Now just wait until it stops flowing out. Close the valve. See, now you can see that it's easy with one finger. To make it smoother. Now the second stage here, you can see, starts going up. This should be as far as it goes. Now as you can see, the hydraulic jack from Junkyard for 10 bucks works great. Maybe we cannot use it for 30 tons, but definitely about 10-15 should be enough. If I change the seals, then it should be fine. Now the scorching marks are here. This one is much better, so probably I will use 1000 grit sandpaper and make these cylinders smoother, and then it will be much better. Yeah, so this is it for this video. If you like it, subscribe and push the notification bell, so you will not miss another video. In the next video I'll be changing the seals probably, and as well as paint it.